Hello trader. Free expert advisor every time I upload a video. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you always get expert advisors and about expert advisor information. Watch this video until the end to get complete information. In the previous video I tried backtest hidden EA, and the results are pretty good. Almost all traded currencies make a profit every month. From the description of the MQL5 site, we can see here. The resulting growth has also reached 103.87%. With a total profit generated $82,613.65. During the period from January to the time this video was made in October, the drawdown caused was also relatively not too large. 20.1%. With a trading profit rate of 71.8% and algo trading 97%. The rest you can see here. The latest update per October has generated a total profit of 1.08% with a total of 14 days in October. Or about 2 weeks. If in total from January, the total profit is 103.87%. I think hidden EA is stable enough to generate profit. Its main goal is to minimize risk and make stable profits every month. In running the hidden EA expert advisor, I use VPS which I get for free. If you don't have a VPS, maybe you can try this VPS. For how to get VPS for free, I have also made a tutorial for it. Please check on this channel. Okay, I will show you the results of the live trading that I have run from October 5, 2022. For about 2 weeks the hidden EA expert advisor is running. The pair that I run is according to the recommendations from the MQL5 hidden EA site. You can see here many pairs that I run at once. My goal is to test to learn the highest level of profit and loss among the recommended pairs. This is the result of the transaction details. Please pay attention here and consider whether this expert advisor is suitable for you to run or not. Here I just try to share the results of the live trading that I run, and of course I also share this expert advisor for free to the viewers of this channel. Make sure you've subscribed so you don't miss new news and free expert advisors every time I upload. For the preset settings, I tried using the standard settings from hidden EA, and here are the settings. I saved the results of live trading for you to study. Please check the download link in the description to get the hidden EA expert advisor and information on the results of this live trading. Here the resulting drawdown is very low at 0.10% of the total balance. Or about $5.02. Consecutive wins 5 times transaction, consecutive losses 2 times transaction. With a total of 35 trades. Profit factor gets data 2.47. I will switch to the MT4 handphone to find out the income of each pair. Please pay attention and learn. As your consideration to use hidden EA. For the data obtained during these 2 weeks I am satisfied with the results. What do you think about this hidden EA expert advisor? Have you tried it? And I recommend you use real money beforehand. At least you study this expert advisor first until you are sure. If you have expert advisor suggestions that I want to review, you can write it in the comments column. I have also given another expert advisor. Check other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching till the end. Good luck.